Hi everybody, welcome to the NVMe Solutions Lab here at FMS 2016. My name's Robert Randall, I'm with Micron Technology. We're going to show you a little joint demonstration that we put together with our friends at Mellanox, and it is an implementation of what's known as NVM Express over Fabrics, which is a new standard that allows for extending your NVM Express storage devices across a remote fabric. So think in terms of like InfiniBand or Ethernet or fiber channel. Those are all the kinds of transports that you can use. What's interesting about what we've got to show today is that we have the industry's first NVM Express over Fabrics implementation on Windows. So here on our little screen, you'll see we've got a Windows machine generating traffic, we've got a Linux machine generating traffic, and then at the top we've got the 4 Micron NVMe SSDs that are being exercised by the 2 remote hosts. So the numbers themselves are not that interesting. To be honest, they're synthetic workloads, but the whole idea is to show that yes, this interoperability works well, and that the interconnect itself is extremely efficient. So when we look down here at some of these transfers, these are the RDMA transfers, which stands for Remote Direct Memory Access. And what's really important about that is it's extremely lightweight as far as processor consumption on the host. So if we look at, what's happening up here, we can see, and I know I'm going to read it to you because it's pretty tiny, but we can see that the CPU utilization on the target, the machine that's taking all of the traffic to saturate 4 enterprise SSDs, is only using 14% of the CPU capacity of that server. So that's the kind of benefit that you get out of these technologies, is not only can you scale them, but you can scale them with very low CPU utilization. So you've got a lot of compute power left to actually do something with the data that you're moving across both the SSDs and the fabrics. And so when will customers need drivers like this? NVM Express over Fabrics is a new standard out of nvmexpress.org. It was ratified months ago, quite honestly, and it's going to take some time to get into the mainstream market. And as solutions come from, say, disk array vendors or appliance vendors that rely on this new protocol, that's when it's going to become important to have these kinds of drivers for all of your systems that need to consume this storage in a disaggregated fashion. If you want to learn more about these types of solutions or what this exact configuration is, please feel free to contact us at Micron. And there will be an overlay on the video with an email alias where you can reach us, and we're happy to share information and let you know when this driver will be available for customers and perhaps even in the open source community.